Good day viewers, welcome to Cybertech-Arena. In this video I'll be showing you how to choose I'll be teaching you how to choose the right bug bounty program. So if you're interested in becoming a bug bounty hunter, you need to choose the right platform to start your journey. Different bug bounty programs offer different features and opportunities and audience. So in this video we'll explore the top bug bounty platforms and provide you with the tools to choose the best fit for your goal. So the top on our list, so I just there are different bug bounty programs, so I'll just concentrate on the 6 popular ones, and I'll tell you why you should choose the one you choose. But in the end, the decision lies in you, so stay put to the end of the video so you can decide what to choose. You're going to also hear my advice. So as I earlier said, there are different bug bounty platforms available, each offering unique features and different approach to managing security programs. So here's an overview of the popular ones. So we start with HackerOne, which is this is their website, HackerOne.com. So one thing about this is it's the largest and most well-known bug bounty platform. It partners with major companies like Uber, Twitter, you can see some of them, Nintendo, PayPal, and all that. Okay, and GitHub also. So HackerOne runs public, private vulnerability disclosure programs. So it has features like comprehensive reporting tools. It has a huge global community of over 500,000 researchers, real-time vulnerability tracking, reputation system for researchers. So you while you have your reputation there. So why should anyone choose HackerOne? If you're looking to work with some of the largest tech companies, HackerOne is an excellent choice. They have a well-established reputation, a variety of programs, and ample opportunity for researchers at all levels. So getting started, it's very easy. So all of them is just almost the same thing. So you just look for maybe the login page. You create your account. It's very easy to sign up here. Okay, so number 2 on our list is Bugcrowd. So here's Bugcrowd. So Bugcrowd offers a variety of programs also, just like HackerOne, vulnerability disclosure and penetration testing. So it features both private and public programs with a focus on diversity and inclusion in cybersecurity community. So the future of this Bugcrowd is flexible program types, like the private programs, the public one. The private ones are those with only invite, you're only invited, and the public one is the one everybody can join and all those. But it also has a hybrid programs. So it has a dedicated training for new researchers uh, through their bug bounty university. They have a bug bounty university where they can teach you the newcomers. Okay, so it has access to bug access to both crowdsourced testing and managed security program. Bugcrowd allows real-time communication with clients and other researchers. So why would anyone want to choose Bugcrowd? So it has a diverse set of programs and features on creating a more inclusive environment. It's a good choice for those who want to access both traditional bug bounty and penetration testing program. So getting started is the same thing. You just create your account on the platform. Then you can view programs and begin participating. The platform offers a different level of reward depending on the severity of the vulnerability reported. So the third one on our list is Synack. Okay, one thing with Synack, it's a premium bug bounty platform that provides managed vulnerability testing using a combination of human researchers and advanced AI tools. Okay, this is their website, synack.com. So Synack is particularly popular with government agencies and large enterprise. So that's one setback about it. So it features is like it's selective, so it's only on invite only researcher pool. They have a hybrid approach combining automated testing and human researchers. So their programs have a high value this thing with detailed reports and premium rewards. So their reward is high. So why would someone want to choose Synack? So if you're an experienced security researcher or penetration tester looking for high value programs, Synack offers robust features. However, you should know the platform is premium, so it's selective. You only come by invites, okay? And uh, for you to get started, you need to apply to become a researcher, and the application process typically involves vetting stage. Once accepted, you will gain exclusive programs so you can start up. So the next one on our list is Cobalt. So now Cobalt.io. So Cobalt combines penetration testing and bug bounty programs. It's offering a managed service for organizations. It's an excellent platform for those who are interested in continuous security testing and working with clients who also need ongoing assessment. It features like it has a managed penetration testing services. So if you also want to get your feet wet on penetration testing, yeah, so Cobalt is for you. It has flexible program options and continuous testing, close collaboration with customers and real-time feedback. So why would somebody want to choose Cobalt? If you're interested in managed penetration testing or long-term engagement with clients, then Cobalt is for you. So it's more suited to experienced professional who wants to manage large ongoing projects. So getting started with Cobalt offers application process, so it may not be the best platform for beginners. However, once you are accepted, you have access to high value and long-term programs. So the next on our list is bug open bug bounty this thing platform. So open bug bounty is a non-profit uh, open source platform that allows anyone to participate in vulnerability disclosure programs. It focuses primarily on web application security vulnerability. So the features of open bug bounty is it's open to all with no registration fee. It focuses on web vulnerabilities, including XSS, which is cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and others. So a non-competitive community-driven platform. So why would anybody choose open bug bounty? Open bug bounty is an excellent choice for beginners who want to start reporting vulnerabilities without having to go through a vetting process. It's also a good platform for web application security researchers. So how do you get started with open bug bounty? All you simply do is sign up. Okay, all the whole sign up is just the same, just like when you're creating. That's why I don't want to go through this thing, but when we're starting up on our next this thing video, where I'll be using HackerOne or maybe Intigriti for our videos. So you see how I sign up, but it's just simple, just the way make your you create your Gmail and all those things. So you just simply sign up and start scanning vulnerabilities. Okay, open bug bounty emphasizes responsible disclosure, so you'll be expected to follow ethical reporting procedure. So the next one on our list is Intigriti. So Intigriti is a newer platform that focuses on transparency and collaboration. It features both bug bounty programs and security testing competitions. So the features of Intigriti is it allows researchers to test a broad range of systems, including Internet of Things and mobile application. high focus on collaboration and feedback loops. So why would somebody choose Intigriti? If you want a platform that encourages more interaction with the client and provide feedbacks on your findings, then Intigriti might be the right choice for you. So getting started is just the same thing with others. Just sign up and become part of the platform and start contributing to ongoing projects. So you can also join testing competitions to gain more experience. So now let's go to the main reason how to choose. In all this explanation I gave about these 6 different bug bounty platform, how to choose the right bug bounty platform. Choosing the right bug bounty platform depends on several factors, including your experience level, um, maybe preferred types of programs, and specific rewards you are aiming for. Here are key considerations to choose whether you want to be in HackerOne, Bugcrowd, and Synack, or any one of them. So the first thing you have to look before choosing any one of them is your skill level. Okay, so beginner, if you're just starting out on bug bounty platforms, so open bug bounty, it's for you. I mentioned open bug bounty before, or HackerOne, it's for you because it's beginner friendly programs. These platforms have also provided resources like training materials and mentorship for newcomers, intermediate or advanced. Platforms like Bugcrowd and Synack or Cobalt are better suited for researchers with more experience. So if your skill level is beginner, you are a beginner, so the best one for you to choose is this HackerOne or Open Bug Bounty. Okay, so the next thing you have to look before choosing is the program types. So web, let's look at example on web vulnerability. If you're interested in finding vulnerabilities in websites, platforms like Open Bug Bounty and Bugcrowd are ideal for you. Okay, mobile and internet of a thing. If you're focused on mobile applications or internet of a thing devices, platforms like Synack, it's right for you. Okay, so and Cobalt, so may offer more specialized program penetration testing. If you're if you prefer penetration testing or want to work on managed security testing project, then Synack and Bugcrowd is for you. Bugcrowd and Synack is for you. Okay, so then let's go to community and resources. So let's say um, if you want a program or a platform that supports uh, educates its members, some platforms like HackerOne and Bugcrowd, they they have active community and extensive educational resources, making them ideal for those who want to learn and grow in the field. Exclusive high value programs. If you're looking for exclusive high value program that's going to reward you extensively, then I think Synack is for you, and Cobalt. So you can also go to Cobalt if you're looking for high reward. So the fourth one is the platform reputation. So if you're looking for a platform that have a reputation, so I think you should consider the size of the platform. HackerOne and Bugcrowd, they have a very large they have HackerOne and Bugcrowd are industry leaders and host large number of high profile clients. So if you're aiming for big rewards and recognitions, this platform will give you more exposure. So my conclusion on all this is bug bounty platforms are valuable resources for both organizations looking to secure their system and researchers looking to contribute to cybersecurity. The best platform for you depends on your experience, your skill set, and the type of program you're interested in. So for beginner, starting with well-established platforms like HackerOne or Bugcrowd is a good way to gain experience and build a reputation. As you grow in expertise, you can consider more specialized platforms like Synack. So I'll be ending this video here, so watch out for the next video where we'll create our account on HackerOne or Intigriti. We just choose any one. So we move on to our reconnaissance. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.